If you've ever wished there was one place you could go to learn how to start and grow a profitable home business without all the hype, that's exactly why I built Home Business Authority. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and today I'm excited to officially introduce it. After months of planning, writing, and building, I'm officially launching Home Business Authority. If you've followed my videos or emails over the years, thank you. I truly appreciate your support, and I'm excited about what comes next. Over the years, I've talked with thousands of people who wanted to start a home business, make money online, or create more financial freedom. And I kept seeing the same problem. There is a lot of information online, but there's also a lot of confusion. Some people promise overnight success, others make things far more complicated than they need to be. I wanted to create one place where you could find practical, honest guidance that helps you build a real business over time. That's why I created Home Business Authority. And here's what you'll find. The site is organized around 5 core areas. First, home business ideas, where you'll discover different business models and find one that fits your goals. Second, starting a home business with step-by-step guidance for getting started. Third, making money online, where I explain proven ways people build income online. Fourth, home business marketing, because even the best business needs more customers. And then finally, passive income and financial freedom, where we explore strategies for building long-term income and creating more freedom in your life. You'll also find detailed articles, recommended resources, and a free home business starter guide that you can download today. My goal is not to help you chase the latest trend. My goal is to help you build something that lasts. Whether you're starting your first home business or maybe looking to grow the one you already have, I want Home Business Authority to become a resource you can return to again and again. I'll continue adding new articles, videos, and practical tools to help. I invite you to visit homebusinessauthority.com and download the free Home Business Starter Guide right now. And while you're there, click around and see what all is available to help you in your home business journey. If you enjoy this type of content, please be sure to subscribe, because I will be sharing new videos every week about home business, affiliate marketing, marketing strategies, AI tools, and building long-term income online. I'd also love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment below and tell me, what is the biggest challenge that you're facing in building your home business? So, thanks for watching, and as always, here's to your success. Again, I'm Joe Barclay. We'll talk soon.